Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix account deficit on Robinhood. So, an account deficit on Robinhood occurs when your account balance falls below zero, meaning you owe money to Robinhood. So, this situation can arise event without margin investing enabled. So, here are the steps to resolve an account deficit. So, first is deposit funds. So you can add sufficient funds to your account to cover the negative balance. Second is close positions. So you can sell securities to generate cash and offset the deficit. And last one is exercise options contracts. So if applicable, you can exercising your options can help cover the deficit. So here are the important considerations. So first is automatic liquidation. So if the deficit isn't resolved promptly, Robinhood may automatically sell your holdings to cover the negative balance. So this process is automated and you may not have control over which assets are sold. And the last one is account restrictions. So persistent deficits can lead to restrictions on your account. So limiting your ability to trade or access certain features. So it can happen automatically. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.